Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a fully automated AI assistant that writes daily weather and news updates straight into Notion using no code at all. So imagine waking up and your AI has already written a personalized page in Notion with your city's weather and hot news in your favorite topics. And it's neatly saved in your Notion like a digital journey entry. That's exactly what we are building today using Notion, N8 and powerful AI tools. Here's what you need to follow along. So you need a Notion account, NI10, and OpenAI API key, and other tools like Airtable for maintaining the preferences, for storing the preferences of particular user, and SerpAPI for weather or news. Say if you are new to Notion, think of it as a flexible digital notebook. You can create pages. As you can see here, this is the page of daily news feed, and can do to-do lists or even build full databases. So that this is page and this is the database, everything you can create all in one place. So in this project I have set up a Notion page that works like a daily news feed, which includes title for each entry and like daily feed with a date, with the current date, and a content block with weather and news. Now let's walk through how this workflow works. So when you type your name in the chat trigger node, behind the scene it looks up your preferences from a table. As you can see, I have given the A table here. You have to give the credential to integrate A table with an A10, and the resource you choosing is record. Operation is search, and I'm looking for the database task manager, and from the table personalized news. So it filters out it filters out whatever the chat input I give is the name of the person. So based on that name, it will get the preferences of that particular user from this A table. So and then finds weather in your city. So this is the code node. It from the A table, whatever it gets the information, it extracts the location of that particular user, and then it will get it will make an API call to get the weather data. So here we are using SerpAPI. You need to provide SerpAPI key and the location which you have extracted in the previous step, so that it gives the weather details of that location. And then we are converting it into uh, JSON using the JavaScript language. So like location, like in key value pair, location, location and temperature, everything we are taking, and then we are giving it to an AI agent so that it will give you in formatted way in any using the chat OpenRouter chat model, GPO OpenAI GPT-4o mini. It uses and it will convert that information in an friendly way. And the other flow is that it takes the one flow, it takes the location, and the other flow, it takes the preferences of that particular user. As you can see here, it took all the interest of that user, uh, and then we are passing it to a perplexity search model. So as perplexity, it will give you the latest and the trending news, real time news, and it will analyze the information and it will summarize the information in a great way. So here we are giving perplexity credential to integrate N8 into perplexity, and here you can see the message text. Please provide the latest news and updates of as of today related to these topics. See, we are passing the interest and s- stock interest. So it will fetch that information and will give you the output. And we are using the code node. Whatever the content it gets, it converts into JSON, and we are merging both of the inputs. Uh, I mean, like we are merging the both outputs, both information which you are getting, that is weather and the latest trending news of your preferences, and then we are passing it to LLM chain so that AI agent here both informations are merged and formatted nicely, and we are asking AI to write down in Markdown so that it looks great in Notion. See, you can see your formatting. we are giving a prompt to an LLM model that you are formatting AI generated content for Notion in Markdown style. So and so, yeah. And finally, it will be it will give the formatted summary in, and it will be saved in as new page in the Notion. As you can see here, so it creates a page. This node will create a page in Notion. So you have to give the credential. Resource I'm choosing is a page, and the operation is create, and I'm just pasting the URL to create a page. Daily news feed with the current name. I mean, as I have already shown how it has created with the name like daily news feed and with the current date, and uh, and whatever the text it got, it will be given here. So, and this is the Airtable. It has all the users and their locations with their, and also have the field of interest. Say for Alice Johnson, she is interested in technology and music and lives in New York, USA. And stock interests are Apple and Microsoft. So let's see this in action. I'll type the name with Alice Johnson. As you can see, it's searching records in Airtable, and as you can see the output, it took the input from the chat message, and the output it has given is Alice Johnson, and it gave the location and also what she is interested. It took the preferences and the stock interest also. And then the first flow it has this the input with ID, created time, person ID, and it extracted only the location, and then it fetched the weather data, making a SerpAPI call, as you can see. So the output is like complex. So we are using the code node to make it simple instead of this complex output. Here you can see like we got a simple output. Only the required fields we extracted, and then we are passing to AI agent. And now the AI agent has given a friendly message like "Good afternoon, New Yorkers." So yeah, and the other flow, this is extracting the interest, stock interest, and the personal interest, and it is messaging to a perplexity model, and so it got all the news which is like complex. So we are extracting to make it like simple content. Both informations are merged and are passing to LLM chain, and this is the final output, this input and the final output it has given. And again we are asking LLM to make it like a convert it into markdown. Let's see in the daily news feed. As you can see with the current date it got, so it got with the title daily news feed with weather update and a stock in recent stock data. And as she is interested in music, so it gave the news related to music and so and so. And this is the summary it has provided. So you can extend this workflow to send Slack or email alerts also, add voice narration with AI audio, or auto create social posts from Notion. So yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI automation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next build. Thank you.